Well, hey there guys, it's Adam here for another unboxing video, and today we're unboxing a really special Leica. Since it came out in about the early 2000s, the Leica MP has been regarded as one of the best 35mm rangefinder bodies, and I'm so honoured to be able to have one here to unbox from new. I actually haven't delved into this box myself yet, and I'm going to show it to you now. This one is a black one, should be according to the box, but let's find out and let's have a look at what is inside the box when you receive it. It's a remarkably small box, and it's actually very, very lightweight compared to the digital Leicas. But let's just open it up. In a way, you know, the board actually doesn't feel the same thickness as the digitals. Maybe it's just because the digitals are heavier, but okay, so we've actually got a guarantee card. All of the information in German, English, yeah, multiple languages. Duracell battery, I presume that's for the light meter. Oh, I haven't seen one of these before. Well, I unboxed a few lights, but Leica Academy and Photo Park. Leica Photo Park is the place where you can share and live out your passion for photography with others. Okay, hey, check it out, www.leica-photopark, that's Photopark.com. Yeah, so that's something new. Have not seen one of these before. Okay. Test certificate. So we've got the test certificate there, signed off by someone. I've got no idea what this is. Could be some, positive and negative. I'm guessing that's a battery holder. Instruction manual. Very, yeah, okay, so it's actually quite a small instruction manual again when compared to the digital Leicas. We have got the strap, and that's all on this top tray here. So I'm just going to return this because I want to try and keep it in absolutely pristine condition. Because I always like to keep my boxes I like to keep the boxes very much as they were when I received the product, just because I just love the way things are packed so neatly. Anyway, let's take this out. And there we have that Leica grey box. So let's just fish this out. That is extremely lightweight. There's nothing else in the box. That is a very, very lightweight box right there. Very small. I reckon that is smaller than the one the MP240 comes in. Oh, satin or silk lined, I guess. That's nice. It's actually just foam with the digital ones. Oh no, the Safari. Check out the Safari unboxing. Here's the link. Yeah, check out the Safari unboxing. That one actually comes with the same sort of insert. And here, all wrapped up, we have got the MP. First impressions, that's not very heavy. Let's have a look. I reckon this would be sweet because I like lenses. So there we go. There is a black Leica MP, the film version. That, I believe, is where the battery goes. On the back is where we select the ISO. Unlike the MP240 types, the frame lines for this are illuminated with the window just there. And I've got to do this. Let's see how it feels. Oh wow, that's smooth. 1/1000th of a second at the moment. Wow, sounds good. Okay, so, alright, so that's interesting. The wind on arm, I can move out the way there and put that back. Alright, so And it's just at that click over moment that you see the frame counter move over. So here you can actually adjust the shutter. Yep, we can adjust the shutter speed after we've wound it on. Beautiful. Let's do that again. Isn't that amazing? So I've got it here. I've unboxed it to show it to you. It's been a real honour to check out. I hope this video gets loads and loads of views for all of you Leica lovers. Okay guys, I better box this one back up now and enjoy. Well, enjoy looking at it. I'll let you look at it for a little bit more. Thanks again, and thanks to everyone who's been subscribed.